Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mahia Creating back with another DIY videos. This time I have really very easy and unique DIY room decors idea for your home that you can make it at your home in a lockdown period. Make sure guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for my latest update coming videos. For my daily update, you can also follow me on Instagram. You can check description box, link in mentioned there. So without wasting our time, let's get started. My first decor videos. First thing, you need a thread, any color of it. Make a tight knot to hang up. Follow the entire process. If you have no any rings, you can use old bangles like this. Second, I am using a broken cup. This was I have saved a long period time, so yeah, I am using this. And second, you can use foam sheet to make a rose. You can watch my another video to how to make a rose, and also check I button. I will provided my rose making tutorial video. Yeah, check out please. And you can use plastic fake plants and cover it entire the cup of look to look very natural and dramatic look like this. Yeah, to have a mini pot, you can use a center table. I want to tell you one thing. I am so excited to be presenting you my most awaited DIY home decor videos. A small budget changes with super simple DIY. So yeah, you can also hang up like this and use like wall hanging. Let me show you how you can use for wall hanging like this. Yeah, so I hope you like it this DIY. So now moving on next idea. So okay, this is my another second videos for making a rose tutorial, which one I made it for my jhumar. So if you are not watched my first rose making tutorial videos, so go and check both videos. Jhumar and rose making tutorial is out. Now guys, you have to broke your cup once again to make this flower pot. I'm joking, it is not true. You can use broken cup. Which one old stuff at your home? Here we'll need a small plastic wire, which one should be a green color. If you don't have plastic wire, you can go with my old idea. Take it bamboo and color it fabric color. You can also use it green tape. So here I am skip the part how to cut foam sheet for the rose. Apply fabric glue and roll it entire the look like this. Here I am using plastic leaves and apply it like this. Yeah, which is one done. Yeah, looking so nice. Here's my all rose which I made it. I hope you like it this one also. Use broken cup and thermocol. I am using thermocol so that we can attach our whole rose and it is look very well and quite beautiful. Like this. To hang the thermocol, I will use crystal ball chain in a pink shade. You can use any color to hang the thermocol, so look nice, clear and pretty then match. After this, you have to add all the flower in thermocol one by one like I am adding. So like this you can add. Oh, look at this, look like that. You can add all the flower and put on the cup and hang the thermocol with crystal ball chain. And here it is done my little pot and mini rose version, and I love the entire look. This one mesh bows look blue, and I will definitely share with you. I have many mesh bows. One day I will share with you, by God. If you like my this DIY hack, give me a big thumbs up like. If you are new and watching my whole videos, so please do subscribe the bell icon button for the latest notification, and whenever I upload my videos, upcoming videos, and please like, comment, share this video. If you are not following me Instagram, then follow me Instagram. Okay, move on another DIY video. You will have the foundation empty box. Yes, of course you will have, because we all using foundation, so you throw it away. But let me tell you the unique idea about that, which one I really personally liked it. Use it thermocol. Put the thermocol in the foundation box properly. After that, you take a wire in which you have to add all thermocol one by one like this. In the foundation box, you have to add all the thermocol wire and it is complete. And on other foundation box, you have to add plastic leaves to add one or two. That's it, enough. If you want, you can decorate in your own way. You can do it the way that I made it. It is looks very good and get it made unique quickly, and it is looks nice done. And yeah, that's it. Please like it, comment, share after watching my video, share your opinion, and yeah, that's it. Take care, be safe, stay home, and bye bye. See you guys. Catch you later in next video.